Well, fellow Sierra Leoneans, una will be say Mother Bio don't come on na London. Ide ya today. Na the same church, Catholic church where they worship, na they Mother Day. Right now, na inka na I dey zoom in so but they far because I dey na the other side of the road. I no go able to get clear picture. Now then three cam na inside the church. The driver make four, but the driver left inside the car na door. So are they now the church entrance this now when I see all the people and they come out. I don't know if from look at una look Mother Bio they come out. Now independent that blue suit. Una look at now. I don't know if una go able to see am from here. Now Mother Bio that one day. Una watch I see that lady we wear the yellow. The other man waiting inside na Mother Bio. The day that one day. Me I not go able to confront her. Me one na because na them 4 days. So I just make this for let una know see without the one day where they see Mother Bio don't left London, don't go. Idea that lady with that yellow dress, sorry, because not to real camera gets na before now they use. But Mother Bio they na London. I just they see well I not get much for do anyway because I did far I not go able to or adjust my camera for zoom am. But na Mother Bio that one day, na in BMW that one day HSL1. I dey wait for let come on. If I go able to get a clear picture of him. But na Mother Bio that one day, yeah, so when I already say we don't miss Sam, we not go able to protest now, I don't go, Mother Bio not go to now then 4 cars inside the church, he sit down at the road before me, and the other 2 guys they waited with time, they sit down beside me. Now where the time reach for say bless peace be to anybody waiting near you. Now me and you see yai to yai. So straight away in face he strike me say this na Mother Bio. So I get for cut off my own service short and all at the conclusion for I just can't make this video. Let una believe it's still there they chat with people that they make papi show. Na Mother Bio that one day. Wait let's see if I go able to come off from here. Let get a perfect view of them. Yeah, me people there. This is not going to without one protest with them for against them. I want let una see. Na Mother Bio that one day. At the point again to the entrance. Una say sorry because the camera na phone camera I not go able to do much for zoom am. But we saw there soon I hope see I go able to get a clear view of where the car enter inside the car. So I just the hang. And Mother Bio that one day, you know go it. Idea. This the kill people that they can't pretend now say in a Christian. If they can't pray, no, I for don't tell and say I hope say they pray for the people that we don't massacre na Pademba, McKinney, Losar, Tumbo. But now me one, I'm not going to challenge them. And then a church business, I'm not going to drop commotion. I make a just try for make this short. Let una know say the man they are. You know, can with Yaba you. Okay, now Yaba that one day self. Yaba there. I think now in this. Last no, not to Yaba this. Not to Yaba this. And it's because he fat pass through. Now Mother in picture one let una see. Now the car this. The driver they inside the car they wait. In there and they make papi show the president of Sierra Leone. They can lie there for don't go to map the listen with the lie the way they talk, but let's just get this proof. If they see the view from this window, the rainwater they block me, I know they able to see clearly from here. We'll just went and down if the attack go wait put her up again. I not get much for do at the inside my car because it rain. But hopefully when they can enter inside in car, una go see a better picture of him. Mother Bio, they are not going to, and I don't know if I go able to tell them Kala no side reside. That again I don't know because a diplomatic car get. Sometimes they go use other routes. But Mother Bio they are so at the end of the camera now. Now in car una the see so that BMW. Now HSL1 BMW. I they drive. It's still there at the entrance. They talk to people there. They make papi show. I wish now we too for being there. Let somebody other person for there and that for the record the lie the way they pan life and people them. But that one day fortunately now me one I will not go able to get them. But they hang for them. I like it take 2 days. I go hang na. I tell let una see the way they enter na in car. Mother Bio, they are car free like this. They can't dirty with church. Anyway, la pause this land no land for long. When I don't see now the motor I just wait for like it come out. When it come out then. Good, if they can come out now, they can go. Una pay attention, una see them, now in deep and that blue suit, that light blue suit. Una look am. Now they can't open the much for her for let go. See the guy they can't open the much for her now. Now in that one the mother be una watch her. Now in the pan the light blue suit. They pan making bomb with the light. Look and they go. Now mother be that one day. Now in that one day. Alright, me people them. This I just make her for proof to una see the one they open they say mother be you don't go then just try for wrong foot we for London protest. This bastard, he still in London, he don't kill people, they can't pretend now. You know, now when a holy place, because inside church, I've been confronted and they tell and say, I hope see the people that we don't massacre and McKinney, they pray for them. Okay, I the chase and I don't go. The people them, I go try my best. Hopefully, if I know which side they, then it go fine for who that one go protest. This white car now between me and Yonka, the chase is on. I they can chase this crazy bullet, they chase them out of London. I get luck na me one day today, so there is nothing much I can do other than for do this, for just prove to una say anybody where they tell una say this man don't go, you know go today. Where them been they say na summit, he just can't the summit they go, mother be there, they can't papi na church saying a Christian. But you get luck like they say this is unexpected. If now two been there, for be able to get a clear picture of the man, well I did be in there now, no cannot be between me and them. Now in car this, it is inside this BMW. I did behind now behind there now. Nep I follow them. I don't know if I go able to change them all the way to the whosoever then day, but I know see not to here again. We see street whosoever it be the stock here. I can't pray for remember in hardship this. Now I know see at the West End the day. I go just try for see how best I go chase them. I don't know if I go able to chase until to the place we put up right now. Alright, they be now. Lord, just the watch. I go left this in the run, Lord, they go no more. I go try them. If I see say the driver don't suspect say they follow them. If they try for shake me off, then I go turn off the camera, then I continue with me work. We don't pray done. Don't go dirty you pray to the killer like this. Now me in the I so vex when I see this man. I come up straight away because I don't want to see don't they. I just don't do my own prayer and I come out the land not sit down with Satan company. This Satan company, they man murderer, this big murderer. They can't pretend na I win a me one the person for don't they but that entrance the way they papish. I know say they can bluff if they bluff the people and say me na the president of Sierra Leone. We black soul like Usa. That in part of him body where lights not they ever penetrate this. Now I still they behind them. We didn't have one place where they call Elephants and Castle now. We they head towards the West End. I they try my best, like I say, if other car don't come between me and you now. So the chase is on again. I go follow them by stealth. Last year how best and how far I go continue for chase them. If it be saying at the West End and not plan for go day today for the congestion charge. But the 15 power they pay today for chase this man, he want every penny of it. I go chase him. I know see at the West End in the end. It head up, it help too. I did behind them. If now two been there na that church today who they on the same cause, if I don't cause commotion, they we other person for don't make recording. But now me one, if I do anything, they would go record and for proof say I don't see the man himself, then I don't tell now what I get for tell them. Because it's simple, in a free country. If I don't tell now what I for tell them, but I not go talk to them, I get camera and my face. Now this now save them. This all now for that tell you now no more, you know go here to it then they can eat the money. Where then they shovel by truckload, they can't open much na say education, na in first goal na in presidency. This na man we say he value education, he close a whole university. Thousands of brothers and sisters, then the language today they don't become dropout. So much for in love for education. They are now Western and no say they put up. Are they being a small? The 15 power they pay for this congestion today, now the happiest money I go ever pay in my life for I just chase this man. And they chase them last year, how far go with them? If not the Western, would they go? La no more in destination. And I go I go run this camera as far as I can. And they be as I say, the car way they before me right now, not in car they before now this now other car we just can cut before me. Right. The track don't clear again. I did behind them back now. I know say the driver, if me not experienced a diplomatic driver, if we don't suspect him or to carry the chaser. But then I all na fululu, he not go even take notice. So because me when a professional driver, if he carry me for miles up to this point, I go really know say this car is up to something. I go try for shake car off. But how they go no more? Then fululu business. Now my own profits this Sunday today. I not get nothing for do, nothing for say. Like I say, if now we two, one for don't go cause commotion, the other one they record. But when I me one, I just get for do this for la prove now to say this man is still there. They enjoy with money. The summits done in company the way they serious but in country. They all long go some then are the same day where the summits done. Now they fly left this country because they care about the country. He don't lock the places of worship. You see the hypocrites now in country. He lock the mosque them. He lock the churches them. You can't I see all side open. They go pray. With people in our country today, they're not able to worship. How hypocritical is that? Me people there. Now this man una make that mistake, una give this man presidency. Today they steal una money, they turn and laugh una back, they balu una, we say una they go first soulless in the house of God, they don't lock all them places there. In the night they enjoy the money where don't thief now una taxpayer money, don't thief them, he can't pray. This na hypocrisy to the highest level. In your country, say possible for worship God day. Because then they with them juju. Then they with them juju. And juju not like who said they call the name of God. Now I make the slightest excuse this man quick he don't jump for the lock the houses of worship. He didn't all lengthy there. If now two been there today, if I don't put an in face, let the father we go pray with and this morning for no say. Now killer they pray for so. Now murderer. Now people now man we get blood in hand this. Block the places of worship. He cannot church, he can't worship. So, now you no more deserve the blessing of God. Una wo de na salon, una wo get work, una wo de sweat, una de drag na Abacha street, una wo de na then gold mine there, una wo de Brookstone, una get money, then go take he shovel like they can't enjoy. He say on top of that, una not for pray to God. Are they behind them still? The people there, love they watch the scene. Now they approach one bridge where they call Lambeth Bridge. I know see that towards Westminster. Somebody be saying there's a nice bridge he put up. Well, I don't know if a nice bridge they go until they behind there they trail them. I go see until I notice say the driver don't faint for me. I no go come up behind them. I go deal with them small no more. Would they now this traffic light small roundabouts? I believe see with the cross now for go Lambeth Bridge. We now the hub of the British government. Now they get Department of Work and Pension. Now they get the Home Office. Now they get the Secret Service of Britain. I know see now they then they can't drive go through now. I go there behind them. As I be drive past them in London, you know, get no corner in London where Sabi pass me. So unless the driver shake me off, I go there behind them. Me people them. Lord they go no more. Lord watch this scene. Thief man, killer like you. Lock the people in place of worship. Lock mosque them. Now I don't give conditions, say they only they open church them on the condition that they for put a vaccination center there. Then I can at this country see even the mask they hold they wear in a church. Then they even apologize. Then they beg we say this not so compulsory, but for law protect one another, law wear mask. We sit down there peacefully. Nobody they're not exempt for worship. He say because he now get the big belly, now he get the blessing pass all man our country. So now you no more for worship, una not for worship. Una for continue for work 7 days a week, then the una don't work, he go take him. He say tax money. If they can't enjoy the money now with him blood test the family, then if they worship, he say una not for worship. I talk him. Now the place where they cancel now this road and call am West Ferry Road, I know see a night breed then they head in for. So I go there behind them. And that driver they are not seeing a fululu. Like I say, well, like when a professional driver, at this moment now, for don't know see this car where they be me, and the cheese. But are they behind there? Now they go me people there. When I bear this long, but I just want to know how far I go able to chase them. Are they behind now? Me man, I like you put foot down. Not jump that light too. If you jump here na law abiding country. If you jump that light, camera they knock you down. We don't stop back. Are they behind them? The chase is on, me people them. The chase is on. The crazy baller is in town. And the chase am la know which I go put up. I know see now one of them expensive hotel them. Where was like with that money where they pay there for night, it go take you 6 to 7 months. For like put that kind of money the way they pay there for one great night. This bloodthirsty idiot. They can't worship. Then in country where they make they enjoy the luxury, where they enjoy today, he lock them all out of the church and mosque them. He said they're not for worship. Last see by this idiot if he sabi drive. Last see now within that one place where they don't block the road. Last see if he understand London. Okay, all right, let's go straight up. Yes, you try now. How they go? Now we dey Westminster, here na Victoria Street. I still dey behind there, no see na night bridge, then they go do ya una wey dey watch this, una bear the bottom, but na so normal get for do am for proof to una say anybody wey tell una say Madabi don left London, then just dey try for wrong foot una a day. I don't see am live koro one, but when I me one, there is no way I go able to confront am, because if I confront am, nobody no go dey for record and see the scene.